BullDozer. I've known you for years. You're one of my favorite wrestlers. You're going to wrestle Justin Bender, the UCW heavyweight champion.
Yeah, tell me something else on that, bro.
Well, I wonder if you know this. I wonder if you know that I got your back. Because, I mean, I've been trying to call you the past couple of days. You haven't been answering my phone calls. I mean, what, you don't feel I got your back? I got your back, man.
I don't need no one's back.
Yeah! Here is your winner, and new UCW heavyweight champion, the one-man wrecking crew, BullDozer! Get out of my face, you son of a bitch.
You want that back? Are you kidding me?
You know, I worked too damn hard for this piece of cake. It's time to get her some respect. What is now the man at UCW? Jesse, get up. Get up. I'm not gonna stop talking, baby. Ain't no way I'm going to right now. Hey, what can I say? We've been up and down these roads together. I ain't gonna lie about that. I might not have no respect for you coming in, but I do now. You gave me one hell of a fight. This is the greatest moment in my life.
Hey, put out that cigarette. Put out that cigarette. Shut up!
Hey, I'm not done with you yet. Hey, come here. There's no bullshit about this. No bullshit. There's no bullshit. Come here. Come here. There's no bullshit.
No! He said peace.
Trust me! I'm the one man wrecking crew! Get up!